Yo, future docs, you've reached the end, the final layer, my learned friend. Deepest in the soul, where secrets reside, the intraside, with nowhere to hide. Plantar and dorsal, a meticulous crew, abducting and adducting, working for you. This is the grand finale, the knowledge complete. Let's drop this last beat. Can't beat player finale, intrasay in the place. Plantar duck, PAD, pulling toes to their space. Dorsal abduct, DAB, spreading them wide with grace. Three plantars for dorsals know their number and their base. Lateral plantar nerve innervates this deepest space. Flexing MTPs, extending IPs, that's their case. The three plantar intrasay, unipennate and keen. For medial sides of metatarsals 3 to 5, a seen unseen. That's digits 3, 4, and 5, if you know what I mean. To medial sides of proximal phalanges, of the same toes they fly, adducting those digits towards the second toe, oh my. That second toe's the midline, the axis standing by. Flexing metatarsophalangeal joints as they try, extending interphalangeal joints way up high. Lateral plantar nerve gives them their supply. Plantar reducts, remember PAD, pulling toes together for stability. Fourth layer finale, intrasay in the place. Plantar duct, PAD, pulling toes to their space. Dorsal abduct, DAB, spreading them wide with grace. Three plantars, four dorsals know their number and their base. Lateral plantar nerve innervates this deepest space. Flexing MTPs, extending IPs, that's their case. The four dorsal intrasay, bopinette, hear the sound from shafts of adjacent metatarsals, they are found. First one, a medial side of second toes, proximal phalanx, it's true. 2, 3, and 4, the lateral sides of toes. 2, 3, 4 for you, abducting digits 2, 3, 4 away from that midline they strive. Second toes the axis, helping your balance thrive. Flexing MTP joints, keeping your footing alive. Extending IP joints as your motor neurons drive. Lateral plantar nerve, again the power does derive. Dorsal abducts, remember DAB, spreading out your toes, wild and free. From glutes way up high to these muscles so deep. 14 songs of knowledge for your brain to keep. The foot's a marvel, complex and so grand. Intrinsic muscles working hand in hand. Well, foot in foot you understand. Stabilizing arches, helping you to stand, propelling you forward across the whole land. This deep layer's crucial for balance and for gait. Mastering this info seals your learning. Fourth layer finale, intrasay in the place. Plantar adduct, PAD, pulling toes to their space. Dorsal abduct, DAB, spreading them wide with grace. Three plantars, four dorsals know their number and their base. Lateral plantar